Topcare HVAC provides expert commercial rooftop HVAC services in Oakville. From installation and repair to maintenance and replacement, we help businesses stay comfortable year-round. A reliable rooftop unit keeps your building efficient, your employees productive, and your customers comfortable. When problems happen, our skilled technicians deliver fast, professional service to minimize downtime and improve system performance. Whether you own an office, restaurant, retail store, or commercial property, Topcare HVAC offers dependable solutions tailored to your business needs. Contact Topcare HVAC today for trusted commercial rooftop unit services in Oakville.